Hello everybody. In this video we are going to learn about properties. So what are the properties? I have created a script with the name of game manager and I have placed this script on a game manager game object. So now it's available in our scene. So let's learn about properties. So properties are smart variables. For example, in start, for example, we will get a position transform dot position. When we type position, you can see that we got two properties, get and set. So we can get the position and we can also set the position. So if we want to set the position, we can say position equal to new vector 3 and then we can assign the position, okay, like this. Any other position we can assign to our game object. So similarly we have other properties as well. For example, time dot time scale or delta time. If we go to delta time, time dot delta time, you will see that we got a get property here. Okay, so we can get the delta time but we can't set the property. So this is an example of properties, or you can say smart variables. So how we can create our own properties? So for example, we have a variable private bool and we can name it game over. Okay, and in start we will say game over is false. So this bool variable is initially false, and now we want to create a property. So this game over object will be dynamic. Okay, so for property we will write public, just like other functions. We will write public bool, and I am using capital game over, capital G, and over, and then we will make curly braces here. So we will not place the small braces here like this. Okay, it will be function. So when we create a property we will make it like this. And if we want to get the value of game over, we can write get, and then here we will say return game over. Okay, so this game over variable. So now if we type anywhere here, for example we write here game over, you can see this capital game over, you can see that we have a get property now. So we have created a smart variable or a property, okay, inside our script. So now we have added get property. So now we will add set property. So for setting the property we can write here set, and then we can say that game over equal to value. Okay, so value word will add a value to this property. So now for example, if we equal to 1 equal to will be here. So if we write here game over, now you will see that we will find two properties, get and set properties. So we can get the value and we can also set the value of this property. Okay, so that's nice. Okay, now we will show this a result inside. We want to show result inside our debug.log. So we can add here if statement, if, and we will say value equal to true then what will happen? So we'll say debug.log game over. So we want to show a message in debug game over. So now how we will show this message? We will come to update method and we will say if input dot get key down, and then we will use key code dot space, then we will say that game over, the capital game over property will be true. Okay, so that's it. We have created a very basic example of property here in this script, and let's test this inside Unity. So we will move to our Unity editor, and after saving this script, so now we will play the game, and hopefully when we press space it will show us a message. So press space and we can't see any message. Something wrong. I think I will recheck what is our mistake. Yeah, actually I restarted the game, and then now you can see that we have game over message by pressing space. Okay, so everything was fine. Sometime this version respond lately. So that's it for this video. We have a basic understanding of properties now, and in next video we will move further. Goodbye.